creamy chicken with pumpkin and mushrooms. To start, cook the bacon in a large non-stick frying pan over medium heat for 5 minutes or until it's crispy. Transfer the bacon to the bowl of a slow cooker. Next, toss the chicken and flour to coat. Shake off any excess flour. Add some oil to the pan over medium heat. Add the chicken and cook turning occasionally for 5 minutes or until it's browned all over. Transfer the chicken to the slow cooker with the onion, garlic, mushrooms, pumpkin, paprika and stock. Give it a stir and then cover with a lid and cook for 4 hours on high. If you have more time, cook for 6 hours on low. The chicken should be tender and falling off the bone. To finish it off, stir in the cream and sprinkle with parsley. Serve this creamy chicken dish with sourdough and lemon wedges. This set and forget chicken dish with pumpkin and mushrooms is a great get-ahead family dinner using the slow cooker.